Yes, today we are going to understand very important riddles, puzzles, and information for our life. So, first very important one is this: there is an spy having one mobile and telescope, and this is bag of the spy. And there is an smuggler having a diamond, a very precious diamond, and spy is searching to that diamond. So smuggler is putting diamond in the vessel of the spy, and spy is not able to search. That is, diamond is with spy, put by the smuggler, but spy is not able to search the diamond. Question is this: where is diamond put? Where is diamond put? Yes, your time starts now. 10 seconds. Yes, now time is over. Diamond is put in the telescope. If a body is put just close to the this lens, this is a telescope, this is a lens, this is lens. So this is called the objective lens. If diamond is put close to the lens, that diamond will be not visible. So diamond is put close to the lens and it is invisible. Now, question number 2. What is that shrinks on heating? This say on heating it shrinks, and on cooling it expands. What is that? This is the question. Time starts now for 10 seconds. Yes, it is water. Water on cooling converts into ice. Volume of ice is more than water. And ice on heating converts into water and volume of water becomes less. If this is this is water is filled over here till over here to the top, यहाँ तक till over here water is filled, and on cooling and water converts into ice, its volume becomes more, it comes till over here, so its volume becomes more. So this is the water on cooling converts into ice, its volume increases, and when ice is heated it converts into water, volume decreases. Now question number 3, that in world very sad person in the world. Now time starts now for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds you have to answer it. Yes, in the world there are very problems, a large number of problems, and there is no person in the world who is problem free. It is said that a person, it is generally said The person is not explaining whatever God he is given by the God as a gift. But always person explains and realize sorrowness, problems given by the God. But one more thing I am telling to you. If a person says, I have so many children, I have so many houses, I have so many property, the public said this man is having much ego. Means to explain whatever he has is also problem. One more thing. Problem, there are some persons having no residence problem, some food problem, there is some disease, so there is sickness problem, disease problem, like there's so many problems. But the great problem is that a person whose children not respecting to the parents, don't respect, even children are insulting to the parents, and they are denoting, explaining that you are nothing, your value is zero. Whatever, I am modern, I am advanced, I am everything. You are nothing. You are nothing. You have no existence. They are insulting to the parents. And at that point, parents save their children, protect their children by heart. Children are heart loving bodies, but their children are not respecting to parents at this stage. This is the most sorrow stage of the human life, and this man is very sad in the world, who is insulted by their own children. Now question number 4. Why Tulsi is worshipped? Tulsi is a plant, and in some countries, in some places, Tulsi is worshipped as a goddess. Why so? So I am telling to you that Tulsi leaf, if you are using 5 leaves, 6, 7 leaves per day, the immunity system of your body becomes very high. Metabolism system of the body is improved. There will be no bacterial infection in your body. Resistance of your body will increase, and brain power of body becomes very strong. So it protects you against disease and give high energy. One more thing, Tulsi leaf generate much oxygen, so it can be planted at your home. More oxygen will be generated, and there are some waves, and these are very flavor waves, or air, you can say flavored air, coming out of Tulsi, and it purifies the surrounding area. And Tulsi seeds and Tulsi wood also used as a medicine. Complete plant is used as a medicine. If there is a fever, in that, like tea, Tulsi leaf, Tulsi seed, Tulsi wood can be used. So in the house there is Tulsi plant. infectious diseases will be no, and it will be very healthy atmosphere. In many ways you will grow, no disease, brain will be fast, and you will grow. That's why in some places Tulsi is worshipped as a goddess. Okay, next is most happy man in the world. Who is the most happy person in the world? Now, in place of man, you may write person. Here you may write person. Person. So, most happy person in the world. Now, time starts 10 seconds. Yes, in the world, you know, there are many problems, and a person is very rich, he is happy, most happy person of the world. It is not. So, the person is happy who has peace. Peacekeeping person is the most happy. Because if you have all type of wealth but you have no peace, so there will be, you are not happy. The most happiness will come in the case at the point you are peaceful man. Peaceful person is the most happy person. Okay, best of luck. Like this, so many videos I am getting, I'll provide. Please subscribe. Comment if you need any. I'll provide the best knowledge that will be beneficial for you for your life. Okay, best of luck.